There's 2 chickens right here. Bruh. It's pretty hot. What is this one's name? Penelope. Huh? Penelope. Oh. Penelope. Is it winter? It's football. Is it, Mimi?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. We just got back last weekend from our annual Homesteading Life Conference event that we attend every year. We've attended it for 7 or 8 years now, I think.
Every year Doug and Stacy's put it on, we've been there.
It's been a good time. Got to meet old friends, make new friends, a lot of good energy, like-minded people. It's really so much more than just a homestead conference. We had some really cool things that came out of the conference this year. I just recorded a podcast with Maureen Diaz with God's Good Table. So I will link that down below. You guys can check that out. And it kind of opened up this cool idea that I think we're going to do on our channel. I think we're going to do a series of videos of like-minded people and just chat with people and talk about, you know, like their niche, their thing that they enjoy doing. So we're going to have a nice variety of really cool Q&As with some really cool people coming up.
Now that we're back from the conference and it's springtime, it's time to get in the garden. We have a lot of stuff planted, but what we wanted to bring to you today was we built a bunch of wooden raised beds several years ago. Over the years we've had to do a lot of maintenance to them, and it's just become a headache. And so we found something much better that we really love.
We've done a video on these raised beds. I'll link that here so you can check out how we built the raised bed and how easy it is. We are definitely going to be relocating our garden area. So we kind of had our garden area out a little too far. We absolutely love having it up here by the house. So we're gonna go with Hopkins Homestead raised beds for all of our beds that we're replacing out in our current garden area. So we'll take you along for that journey too. But today we just want to do a recap on this bed. We built it in the fall?
In the fall last year.
Yeah, so we just started planting in it. As you can see, we got some lettuces growing, some peppers, tomatoes. I got a few carrots.
These beds from Hopkins Homestead are amazing. They're about 20 inches tall. The side panels are 22 gauge galvanized steel. It comes with all the hardware you need to put together. You can put these beds together in about 30 to 45 minutes. It also comes with a kit on the corners here that you can attach wooden 2x6s to, so when you're gardening you can have a seat. It's a cool place to come out and chill and relax.
It's really like the perfect level for just coming out here and setting and enjoying your garden. There's really nothing better than that. We do have a lot of work to do in the garden, and so we'll probably we've got some things planted in our old beds before we can transition into building some more of these awesome beds up here. So we got a lot of garden work to do. We grow microgreens indoors all year long, so we always have fresh produce. And you know, it's nice to have a variety. And so we plant just what we eat in the garden. We've kind of learned that over the years. Used to, we would just like, get so excited and plant everything there is to offer, and that never turns out well. So we do lettuces, peppers, tomatoes. We have our potatoes are looking awesome, and our onions are looking awesome, so we've got those going on too. But if you're new to our channel, please check out barefootmicrogreens.com. We've got everything you need to know about microgreens and how you can start growing them yourself for your family and for profit if you want. We have all that available on our online store, and we just introduced 2 more really cool products online. So our family is like all about trying to find the most nutrient dense foods available, and for our family, our loved ones, as well as our community, and you know, everybody that we can reach. So we have came across some really cool options, or better options really, for conventional flour. So if you're a baker and you're into homegrown food, cooking bacon from scratch, we have a really good option for you guys. It's crushed wheat, and it's pretty awesome stuff. So make sure you check that out too. We now have crushed coffee as well, and we have shared that with a lot of our friends, and we actually brought it to the Homesteading Live conference with us, and we almost sold out of the coffee, and we've already got so many people like, oh my gosh, this coffee is amazing. It's so smooth tasting. One of my friends said it is very blissful. So if you're a coffee drinker, check that out too.
That we've had our raised beds in for years now. As you can see, they're made out of cedar, and again, we've had to do many repairs, and they've worked, they've served their purpose for the years that we needed them, but we're definitely going to transition
And upgrade
sure, all of our beds to the steel beds from Hopkins Homestead. Now check this out. After Mallory gets done harvesting her microgreens, there's a spot in the yard that we was dumping the remnants all year and letting our chickens scratch through it. Check this out.
This is like all varieties of the microgreens that I grow. The seeds, I guess, that didn't germinate or that were still in the tray that didn't get harvested is now growing. So we're just gonna let it go and see what happens.
We'll see what we get.
Funny. Another cool tool that we kind of wanted to share with you guys that we've used over the past few years is CLYDES garden planner. So if you're new to gardening, you're a beginner gardener, or even a master gardener, this is like the best tool to have. It's kind of like a, what would you call this? Like a little slide card here. And basically what you do, so there is like all the vegetables listed here, and you just slide this card around to your last frost date, and then it like tells you literally everything you need to know. When to seed indoors, first outdoor planting dates, expected harvest dates, like all the things. And it's really cool because it has 2 sides. So it has your spring side, and then it also has your fall side, and gives you literally all the information you need. How far apart to plant your rows and your plants. Like, it's all here. It's so cool. Takes all the guesswork out of it, and like, you know, the worry of, am I doing it right, and having to research and do all the things. It's all right here in this cool garden planner. So make sure you check that out. It's CLYDES Garden Planner. I think it's CLYDESGardenPlanner.com. I'll be sure to, I'll put that here. Put in our code LLB for Living Life Barefoot. You get a lot of great free information with the purchase of this garden planner. So again, we really just want to shout out Hopkins Homestead with their raised beds. It's such a great feeling connecting with other homestead families or small family ran businesses. Just partner together, support each other, and just help share about great products. So again, Hopkins Hidden Homestead, check out their raised beds. We also have a code for you guys that'll save you 5% on your raised beds. Again, the code is LLB, saves you 5% on these beautiful, amazing raised beds.